driving in and cutting. Been a busy morning. We've been out doing a little backhoe work, a little mountain road repair, amongst other things. Trying to keep the old mountain road in good shape. Pulling trailer loads of hay and stuff up in there. In between mowing hay, tending the garden and doing other stuff. But backhoe work ain't hard. It's an older backhoe, old John Deere 410. Does a good job. Comes in handy. It's another tool to have on the farm. Help get stuff done. Backhoe's an older machine, ain't hard, but it still does a good job. It does all we need to do. It ain't something you use every day, is it? Just once in a while when you need it, it comes in handy, don't it, hurt? Saves a lot of shoveling. There's roosters crowing over yonder. Good to see some water back in the branch and the old branch running again. Thank God for the rain we've been getting. That's been a blessing. Water actually coming out of the old tile again. The cows drank up here. Good old spring fed branch water coming out of the holler. A happy little rooster this morning over there crowing. Y'all come back and see us, friends. Harry gonna get him something else here directly.